Today, I want to show you one of the most useful tools in Matrix for jewelry design, which is called Gem Loader. Gem Loader is the section where you can access a complete library of gemstones. In this panel, you'll find a wide variety of stones, including diamonds, sapphires, emeralds, rubies, and many other gem types commonly used in jewelry. One of the most important advantages of Gem Loader is that all the stones are already prepared in standard cutting sizes. This means you don't need to manually calculate dimensions or worrying about incorrect proportions when placing stones in your design. Each gemstone is categorized by shape, such as round, oval, pear, marquise, princess, emerald cut, and many more. You can easily browse through these shapes and select the one that best fits your design concept. Once you choose a stone, you'll notice that Matrix provides industry standard sizes, which are commonly used in professional jewelry manufacturing. This is extremely important, especially if your design is meant for real production and stone setting. By using standard sizes, you ensure that your design is compatible with real gemstones available in the market. This also makes communication much easier between designers, stone setters, and manufacturers. Another helpful feature of Gem Loader is that you can quickly preview different stone sizes in your model. This allows you to test proportions and see how the gemstone interacts with the overall design before finalizing it. Instead of adjusting everything manually, Gem Loader lets you work faster and more accurately. You can focus more on creativity and aesthetics rather than technical measurements. When you place a gemstone from Gem Loader into your design, it automatically aligns correctly and maintains proper geometry. This reduces errors and helps create cleaner, more professional models. This tool is especially useful when designing rings, earrings, pendants, or any piece that requires precise stone placement. Whether you are working on a simple design or a complex setting, Gem Loader helps streamline the entire process. In professional jewelry design, accuracy is just as important as creativity. Using standard gemstone sizes not only saves time, but also increases the chances that your design can be manufactured without major modifications. To summarize, Gem Loader allows you to 1. Access a full gemstone library. 2. Use stones with standard, production-ready sizes. 3. Speed up your design workflow for create more accurate and professional jewelry models. If you're serious about jewelry design in Matrix, learning how to use Gem Loader efficiently is essential. It's a small tool, but it plays a big role in creating realistic and manufacturable designs. In the next steps, you can experiment with different stones, sizes, and shapes to see how they affect your design. The more you practice with Gem Loader, the more confident and faster your design process will become.